Kim from the Mailbox, and today I have a fun bear-themed activity for you. Read aloud Karma Wilson's Bear Snores On. In this story, Bear sleeps when woodland animals have a party in his den. Unfortunately, some pepper from their stew causes Bear to sneeze and wake up. But don't worry, Bear doesn't get angry. He's just upset that he missed the party. After the read aloud, give each child a stew pot pattern and have them color and cut it out. Then, have them attach it to a sheet of construction paper labeled Achoo. Next, have them spread glue above the pot and sprinkle hole punch dots in the glue. Finally, have him recall what happened at the end of the story and write his dictation at the bottom of the construction paper. For this fun activity and other activities on bears, check out our book, The Best of the Mailbox Magazine, Bears. It's for preschoolers and it's brought to you by your friends at the Mailbox.